Hi there, how are you doing, my amazing ninja? Today I want to cover a topic that it's going to give you a lot of guidance when it comes to creating an impact with your social media profiles, and this will apply for all of them, including Facebook, your business page, your LinkedIn, and all of that. It's one of my favorite strategies because people see amazing results right away. So let's review what are the things that will help you to boost your image, to boost your influence, to boost your credibility. I call this process your profile makeover. So the number one thing that is here is the cover picture. One of the things that you need to understand is that the cover picture is the first thing that people see right next to your profile. We want to make sure that you have that cover picture showing what exactly is your business about. And people will tell me, what if I am actually talking to or inside of my personal profile, or do I do this also for my business? There's always this confusion. What I'm going to say here is this, okay? It's a human-to-human connection. If you want to boost your brand, people need to get to like you, trust you, and believe in you. And so many times we forget that part. We get an amazing offer, but we are going to Google, who exactly is this person? And we want to get you polished as the amazing CEO that you are. So I want to see you with a great cover picture showing exactly your vision. Show me your big picture. The number two is the About Me section. Exactly what you put on your website. Facebook has the option for you to put all that information in your About Me section. Take a look at that. There's a good chance that you have never updated that, and that's an opportunity that you have to make those updates so people know what are you doing and how exactly they can help in case they know somebody that they can refer to you. The number three is the tagline, and this is something that LinkedIn has very well and Facebook has very well, which is where you get to describe a little thing about you. Be creative, be specific, and don't be afraid of just be unique, okay? The tagline is something that people will ask, what exactly is that? And that will be helping you and giving you the advantage to start those conversations. The other part is the live moments. LinkedIn has a part in your profile when you get to update your profile, and that actually gets notified to all your connections. Facebook has the same thing. It's called Live Moments, which you can do to your personal page and also to your business page. Make sure that you're updating the company news, the company updates, the same way that you do with your website, with your blog, and to the LinkedIn profile. And then, in fact, Facebook has a new way to post content that looks very, very professional, and that is called notes. Business pages should take more advantage of this, especially when you're producing content that is rich and that is helping your audience to get to know about you. We will learn further in that we have a technique. It's called the ice cream cone to produce content. For the time being, I'm going to assume that you have content that explains your company and your values and talks about what do you want to do. Go ahead and post that content using notes, and in LinkedIn, the notes actually are called articles. Go ahead and do that, and that will help you to boost that level of influence. Now, next topic is privacy, and this is a big deal because Facebook had a major problem with their data breach. So what you want to do is make sure that any apps that you have added, those are like the very tricky ones, like the quiz, personality test, or even the virtual makeup, those that create like a cover of a magazine and you look amazing. Be careful for those. You want to delete those apps. Method of payments, make sure that you use a method that is safe. I use PayPal, and I know that I have the notifications on PayPal, and if there's something that happens, I can always claim. So use that, or maybe you can use then a debit card that has the opportunity for you to recharge it. So in other words, don't just use your personal information there, okay? Now, another part of the social media platforms is albums. Featuring content, it's always good because it gives the user the opportunity to hyper focus in the things that you want them to hyper focus. Let's face it, how many times we start reviewing a profile and we go like this? We start, like checking every picture, and you want to give the user the opportunity to do that, yet enhancing your message so they know that they can like you, trust you, and believe in you. The other part is the business profile. Everybody gets confused in this, and I think I mentioned this before. You are a human, and you have to treat your Facebook exactly the way that you treat your connections, your business connections. So please, no drama, no hospital things, don't show things that are like too private. I have actually in this book, one of the rules is be personal, not private. So make sure that you keep that in mind, and if someone is doing your content, you might want to check if they are kind of crossing the line in that way. And basically, if you do this, you should experience more engagement in the next 24 hours when you're changing these things. And obviously, we will be talking more about this during our marketing mastermind circles. All right? See you soon.